What happens if your entire server goes down? If your backups are stored on the same server, you could lose everything. That's where offsite backups come in. CloudRaptor lets you store your backups outside your server using remote storage providers like AWS S3 and other cloud services. Offsite backups protect your data from serious risks like server failure, accidental deletion, data corruption, or infrastructure issues. That's why they're strongly recommended for any production website. To get started, go to the Backup and Restore tab, then click Destinations. Choose a storage type like S3 or cloud storage. CloudRaptor supports multiple providers including Amazon S3, DigitalOcean Spaces, Backblaze B2, Wasabi, MinIO, and other S3 compatible services. Enter your storage details, including your bucket name, region, and access credentials. If you're using a non-AWS provider, don't forget to add the endpoint. Once saved, simply select this destination when creating manual backups or setting up automated schedules. For best results, always enable offsite backups for production apps. Use retention settings to manage storage, verify your credentials regularly, and combine automated backups with remote storage for maximum protection. With offsite backups in place, your data stays safe, even if your server doesn't.